everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy to follow tutorial on how to change your profile picture on Robinhood. If you want to update your profile picture or add a profile picture on Robinhood, then the process is quite easy. Start off by opening up a preferred web browser and make sure that you are logged into Robinhood.com account. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on the account button at the top right hand corner, which will then open up this expanded menu. Select profile from the options and click on it. This will then take you to your profile, from where you'll be able to edit your profile information as long as your profile picture. To change your profile picture or to add a new profile picture, click on this add button. Now select any profile picture from your library and click on open. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your profile picture being uploaded and the change has been saved successfully as well. Refresh this page for once and then you'll be able to see your profile picture uploaded for Robinhood. If you ever want to change your profile picture to something else again, click on this cross and click on the plus button one more time and select your new profile picture. Click on open and make sure that it is uploaded. That is how you can easily change your profile picture on Robinhood.com account. If the video was helpful to you at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.